Hi, good morning. Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. This is the van that I cleaned about a month ago. You probably remember seeing it. Well, I've just stripped all the carpets and everything out of it. I don't know if you could see all. This is builders for you. As you can see, it gets a bit of a life, this van. And it looks like the birds have had a party on it. So today we're going to set about, I'm not doing the inside at the back at the moment, he's going to empty it for that, but today we're going to try and get it looking nice and fresh again, because it is a lovely van. I mean, it's not that old. As you can see, it's a 19 plate. The outside is going to be easy, the work's all going to be inside. So let's get on with it. I'll see you in a bit. As I says, we did this van about a month ago. It's not going to show up very well on this angle, but everything is covered in builder's dust again. Everything's ground up. He now tells me that his kids are transported in this sometimes as well, so I want to make sure it's really clean. So what I'm going to do, I've got some sanitizer and cleaner mixed together. I'm going to start off by making sure that we get all the dirt out the grains. This is where the kids put the feet, but it might even be adults put the feet, I don't know. Judging by the state of the van again, I think that it must carry the builders around the yards, so we're going to give it a deep clean. And to do that, I'm now going to rinse this down using the steam. This will also ensure there's no germs lurking about. I'm going to go over the whole van now, doing exactly the same thing, so I'll show you a bit more in a bit. Things are starting to get back to normality inside the van. Starting to look nice and clean. Much scrubbing, vacuuming, cleaning. Now we've got to do this side. I cannot believe that anybody can make this much mess in 1 month. But there you go. Keeps me busy. See you soon. Right, the day is done, and the vehicle's looking a lot cleaner, a lot fresher. All the seats have now been cleaned. All the leathers looking good. All the trims. And just clean the bodywork and give it a light coat of the ceramic spray. Should keep it going until the next time it comes, which will probably be another month. So, looking a lot fresher, I have to say. Even if I do say so myself, pull my own chain because nobody else will. Well, there you go, another one done. And we've got a Volkswagen camper tomorrow for about the same thing. So see you on the next one.